Hello guys, you're welcome once again on my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for clicking on this video, and also don't forget to smash on the subscribe button if you are interested in my channel. And I really know that you are interested in my channel because you love my channel. That's why you click on the video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix any Snapchat problem, any Snapchat glitch. Any problem that you are facing with your Snapchat on your mobile phone, I'm going to teach you how to get it fixed. But before I start, please like this video, share the video to your friend right now before you watch. Comment down below if you have any question after watching this video, and we're gonna start. Boom. So before we start, what you have to do is to go to your Play Store app. I mean your Google Play Store. If you are using an iPhone, go to your App Store and search for Snapchat. So just type in Snapchat and search for it. So when you search for it, click over here. When you click on it, you have to check this section. So when you see open over here, it means you don't have to click anything, just click on the open. Do you get me? But when you see something like update, do you get me, something like this, when you see something like this over here, what you have to do is to just click on it. So when you click on it, wait a while, it's going to load over here, and after loading, it's going to install on your mobile phone. Do you get me? So after that, you see this. So after it's installing on your phone, you're going to see this. So after installing it, click over here to open. Don't click on this. Do not click on this. Don't click on this. When you click on that section, it's going to delete your Snapchat. So let's go and fix the problem. So what you have to do is to go to your settings. After updating your Snapchat, what you have to do is to go to your phone settings. So my apps are a lot, but I'm going to search for it. Settings will be around this place. Phones, okay, this is it. So when you see settings, this one, do you get me? Click on it. So when you click on it, wait for it to load. So when it loads like this, what you have to go is go to the apps and notifications. Some phones, it's not apps and notification, it's applications. Other phones too, it's apps and something. So just click on it when you reach here. So wait for it to load. It's loading over here. So just wait for it to load. It's gonna finish right now. So after loading, click on see all 339 apps. The reason why it's 339 apps is I've installed 339 apps on my phone. So maybe if you've installed 10 apps, you are going to see all 10 apps. Do you get me? So what you have to click on is see all apps. Just click on it. So when you click on it, take time and search for Snapchat. If your apps are a lot, just go over here and click or search. So just go over there and search for Snapchat. So when you type in Snap or SNA, you are going to see the Snapchat. So just click on it when you see it. So when you click on it, what you have to do next is to go to your storage and catch. After that, clear your storage and catch, and also clear your storage over here. Do you get me? So after clearing the storage over here, go back and also click on the force stop. You get me? So when you click on the first stop, then you click on OK if you are finding any problem with it. So after that, just go back to your Play Store or your App Store and click on open, and you are going to see that your app is going to open successfully. Do you get me? So the app is going to open successfully like this. So this is where you're going to see a lot of you're going to see a lot of lenses over here, and these are free lenses that you can use on Snapchat. So thank you very much for clicking on this video, and I hope you're going to enjoy this video. So thanks you very much, and this is what I have for you. We are going to meet in my next video. when you click on the subscribe button, please don't forget to click on the bell icon beside it. You get me? Click on it and turn it on. When you turn it on, you are going to be the first person to watch my video. Do you get me? So thank you very much for watching this video, and thank you very much once again for clicking on this video. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. If you click on the subscribe button, no one's going to charge you money. It's free. So click on it, like the video to promote my video, share this video to your friends who are finding problem with their Snapchat. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.